What's the meaning of Corinthian? Corinthian. Corinthian.
Corinthian. Corinthian. Corinthian has various meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In architecture, it refers to a classical order characterized by slender fluted columns and ornate capitals with acanthus leaves. In sports, it refers to amateurism and fair play, particularly in reference to the Corinthian spirit of English football clubs. Additionally, it can refer to a person from Corinth or things associated with the city. Overall, Corinthian is a term with diverse meanings and connotations that span different fields and contexts.